In today's video, I'm going to teach you why Miro is the go-to online whiteboard for modern hybrid teams. Before we get started, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions. Miro has earned its popularity by turning the old, single-use whiteboard into a flexible, structured, and integrated digital workspace. Think of it as a central hub where ideas, plans, and teamwork come together and stay connected, no matter where your team is located. First, let's talk about the infinite canvas. Unlike physical whiteboards or slide-based tools, Miro gives you a space that expands as your ideas grow. When a brainstorming area gets full, you simply zoom out and pan to a fresh spot. That means your best thinking never has to stop because you ran out of room. It's ideal for mapping entire projects, user journeys, or strategies in one place, so you can see how everything relates without juggling multiple files. Miro also shines in collaboration. It's built for real-time co-creation, so multiple people can add, move, and comment at the same time, and you can see where everyone is working. Facilitators can guide the room with a built-in timer, the voting app to make decisions quickly, and the Bring Everyone to Me feature to keep the group focused. When teams aren't working at the same time, threaded comments and recorded walkthroughs with Talk Track keep momentum going across time zones. Another reason teams love Miro is its versatility across the entire workflow. For brainstorming and ideation, you have sticky notes, mind maps, and visual libraries. For project management, you can use Kanban boards and sprint planning templates to organize work. Design teams get wireframing tools, journey maps, and collaborative review spaces. Strategy and planning are covered too, with templates for SWOT analysis, agile frameworks, and flowcharts. The result is one place that supports every phase, from initial ideas to execution. Deep integrations make this even more powerful. Miro connects with over 130 tools, including Jira, Asana, Slack, Microsoft Teams, and Zoom. You can turn a sticky note into a Jira ticket, track progress without leaving your board, and embed boards directly into Teams meetings. It becomes a visual layer across your existing systems, keeping planning and execution in sync. Finally, Miro balances ease of use with professional depth. New users can add a sticky note in seconds, while power users unlock advanced diagramming, robust access controls, and enterprise-grade security. With more than 1,000 templates, you can start fast and scale confidently. In short, Miro brings a single, intuitive visual space that bridges physical collaboration and digital execution, helping modern teams move faster, together. If this tutorial helped you, give the video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tips and Notion tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.